new anymore. Most businesses have heard about ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or even Perplexity. But here's the thing. Most of them are using AI completely wrong. If you're just copy-pasting responses between tools, you're just missing the point and leaving money on the table. Hi, I'm Simon, and at my agency, Certainly AI, we help small to medium-sized businesses save time and cut costs by seamlessly integrating AI into their operations. If you want to know how your business can benefit from AI, book a free call using the link in the description. So what's the issue with just using ChatGPT in your browser? First, your data isn't safe. Consumer AI tools like ChatGPT aren't built with business-level security in mind. When you paste sensitive information in these tools, it might be stored, used to train future models, or even passed through servers around the world. And this could be a huge risk for your company's data compliance. For example, a small accounting firm used ChatGPT to draft email. One day, they accidentally dropped in financial data. That information may now be stored on OpenAI's own servers. An instant GDPR risk. 2. Copy-pasting wastes time. If you're copying content from your CRM to ChatGPT, waiting for response, and then copying back to Slack, Word, or email, you create friction in your workflow. And friction in your workflow is never a good idea. Let's say your team handles 10 customer requests a day. Each request takes just 2 minutes of copy-pasting. That's 20 minutes per day, or 7 hours a month. Multiply that by 5 team members, you're wasting 35 hours per month on copy-pasting alone. That's a lot of time. 3. No business context equals bad outputs. AI works best when it understands your business, your tone, your processes, and your data. If you're using it in isolation, you're feeding it in blanks. For example, ask ChatGPT to write a follow-up email, but it doesn't know what the customer said last or what the product they bought. What you get back, fluff and nothing helpful. 4. Manual use doesn't scale. What works for one person doesn't work for a growing team. Copy-pasting doesn't scale. For example, one VA at a digital agency used ChatGPT to write social posts. As clients scaled, they had to hire 3 more just to keep up, when they could have automated 70% of the work. 5. You're not learning from your data. When you manually use AI, you're not learning anything. There's no feedback loop, no learning, no optimization. For example, your team keeps re-prompting ChatGPT to remove filler, fix the tone, or make it better. With this, you're starting from scratch every time, instead of fixing it once or scaling this prompt. So how do you use AI the right way? Instead of browser-based tools, you use developer APIs, built for businesses, where data is secured, private, and excluded from model training by default. That eliminates the GDPR and compliance headache before they even happen. Instead of copy-pasting between chats, you integrate AI into your system. Customer data goes in, answer comes out, all automatically. No friction, no wasted clicks. That's how you reclaim 30+ hours a month per team. Instead of giving AI zero context and getting generic output, you feed it with structured data. This could be past conversations, purchase history, preferences, tone of voice guidelines, etc. Suddenly, AI writes like it knows your customer, because it does. You don't scale with more VAs. You scale with automated systems that respond, write, update, and route in real time. Just one AI-driven workflow can replace hours of repetitive tasks across multiple teams. And instead of starting from scratch every time, you build feedback loops that learn and adapt. If a problem needs fixing, which it barely doesn't if you set it up correctly in the beginning, you fix it once for everyone and forever. This isn't about using AI as a tool. It's about using it as an operating layer across your whole business. So if you want to see how this could work inside your business, let's talk.